Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3-minute song with Lyra 3 Pro in Gemini. Now what we are going to do, navigate here into the Gemini webpage where you see Lyra 3, create custom track for any moment. You will see here try it out button. What will this happen is basically navigate us directly into Gemini. So how do you find that here if you are in Gemini? So it's pretty simple and I will show you right now. Alright, you are here. Now you will click on this plus button right here and you will see here, let me just put it in English, just like that. Here you see create music, click on that and you are right over here. Okay, now what we can do it right in this, we can paste in something like that. So let me just uh, put in here the text for the music. So all right, now I will paste in this text right here, so it's pretty full screen like that. Okay, so create 3-minute high energy 20 style pop punk song in the key of E major and so on, instrumentals, and then we have vocal style, mood, and I also gave here timestamps, intro, lyrics, verse 1, verse 2, and so on. So I will click start and we will see what will happen right now. So what will Gemini do with this text which we put in? And yeah, let's wait a few moments that Gemini creates a song. It has also created the basically the picture, which looks pretty cool if you ask me, running red light. And yeah, now we can listen here. Based because of the copyrights, I think I cannot play this song, but yeah, it's working. As you can see here down, music is playing. um, yeah, try it by yourself, type in something like this text right here. So yeah, I think this is it. If this video helped you out, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next